So now let's see how we can add text inside of Corel Draw. So over here, if I were to go around onto the left hand side, then you can see the text tool right here. If I were to click and hold, then you get the first text tool right here. So in order to add in the text, you can simply go around and click anywhere you want right here and start typing right here, just like this. So this is one way to add in a text right here. You can go ahead and move the text box right here wherever, and then work around with its properties over here from the top. If I were to go around over here onto the text box area right here, again onto the text tool, I can click and drag to make a text box right here instead as well. So let's say, for example, I can say this is tube right here. So let's just go around and say this is tube, and let me just go ahead and copy this out. So I'm just going to go around and copy and paste this multiple times, and you can see that inside this text box it actually goes around and fits all right here. So you can go around and then arrange this out according to how you want, as you can see, just like this as well. So this is what you have, as you can see, and that is how you can work around with adding of text inside of Corel Draw projects. So I hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.